When 26 News roving crew set out to monitor the aftermath of Sunday's downpour, the idea was simple: to see if there were damages caused by the rain. Surprisingly, 26 News camera lens captured houses and walls that collapsed over flooded farms and streets. Was of Dubeli Bypass, Jambutu, Asorok, and Karewa wards. It was observed that there are strong indications that residents of these areas might have slept with their eyes open as they were still battling with overflooded waters in their houses and roads as at the time of the visit. The immediate cause of the flood ranges from lack of development control to blocked drainages.
Everybody here now outside. We have tried all possible best of our distance to see that we dig all this water, but we were not able to do it because the thing is too much for us.
Whenever it rains, it causes sleepless nights because of the gravity of the down. When it rains like this, we'll have nowhere to escape here.
Every room, all of them is occupied with water.
They appeal to Urban Planning and Development Authority to control and check the indiscriminate building of houses on waterways and streets.
We thank the governor. We have seen what he has done here for us. So let him please extend his own helping house to us here.
Governor, if you can help us to come and do this gutter, so to pursue the water inside this.
Observers say residents living in flood-prone areas must right the wrong for enhanced flood-free environment. Rose Anthony Elishama, 26 News.